Found a POBRANE file in your Opera Downloads folder and wondering what to do with it? This is an incomplete download that hasn't finished yet. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Opera incomplete download files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky POBRANE file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. A POBRANE file is a temporary placeholder created by the Opera web browser during the download process. The name is derived from the Polish word for downloaded. Users encounter this file when a download is in progress or has been interrupted, and it is automatically renamed to its correct extension upon successful completion. This file acts as a temporary container, holding the partial binary data of the file being downloaded. Opera uses this distinct extension to lock the file, prevent accidental use before it's complete, and manage the download state. This design ensures data integrity and allows the browser to resume an interrupted download. The direct link for opening POBRANE files is established with Opera Browser from Opera Software. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows occasionally cleans them up, but users should delete them only when certain they're safe to remove. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the POBRANE file and choose Open With. Start with Opera Browser if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still cannot open your POBRANE file, that is okay. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, resuming the download. Open Opera and access the Downloads page via Ctrl+J or the menu. Locate the incomplete download and click Resume to continue from where it stopped. Opera reads the POBRANE file's metadata and continues downloading from the recorded byte position, completing the file with its proper extension. Next, cleaning up failed downloads. If a download cannot be resumed, delete the POBRANE file from the Downloads folder. Right-click in the Downloads page and select Cancel or remove the file directly from disk. Restart the download from the original source to obtain a complete usable file. Finally, recovering partial data. For some file types like videos or archives, partial data in POBRANE files may be usable. Rename the file to its expected extension and attempt to open it. Video players may play the available portion, and some archive utilities can extract complete files from partial archives, though full recovery requires completing the download. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.